a good catcher. And a great thrower. You get that.
This is what happens when I set the kids free.
This is what happens when you throw and you're playing catch.
Where's Brayden? Brayden, come here and play with the ball.
You grab Ryan.
There goes Rye Guy.
Come here, Brayden.
Who's on it?
I gotta play.
Look at him go.
Brayden. Brayden, get off that couch.
Uh-oh.
We're going on him for a month.
Sit down. No.
Come here, Brayden. Watch out, please, Danny. I want to throw this.
No.
Brayden.
Brayden, come play with the ball like you were before.
Brayden, come here.
Oh, shit.
You're throw. I don't know why. Yeah, bring it over here, please. Thank you.
Nice throw, Danny.
Get out of here.
Rye Guy's on the computer. It's chaos.
This is why we have
Get out of here. Yeah.
Play with all the pictures.
No,
Throw balls.
It's Madison.
That's right there.
Sorry.
That's Madison.
Danny.
Look at Julie sitting. She likes to whack her kids in the head with a ball. He almost knocked him over.
He loves it. He
He does.
Bring this up for a second.
It's the funnest thing ever.
A sprained neck.
No. Right, don't go back over.
Come here, Brayden.
Don't go back over. She'll go back till she knocks you conscious.
Did you hear what he said?
Notice how the pictures get
Get.
giant one, bunch of ones, and then it's like Rye Guy Shrine. Imagine this next one. Let me get it in the belly. Where are we gonna put it? There's no room left on this wall.
This whole wall.
Oh, this wall will be the new baby.
We're gonna get a painting.
Seriously though, what are you gonna do? Holes in the wall. Guys, we've got 4 minutes and 51 seconds left. Do something cute.
Not in the rocks.
Don't get yelled at on video.
Why are they in here?
Because of me. Floodgates were opened.
Go.
Rye Guy, no!
Here, Brayden.
Good boy.
He's on the couch.
Get off the couch. Your shoes are on. Off. Off.
Don't turn sideways, just keep going. Oh, Braid, I can't handle 2 on the stairs and videotape.
Come here, Brady. Brady. Come here.
Hi, buddy.
Come here, buddy.
Whoa! You got it. You got it. All right, Rye Guy. All right. Yay! Yay! Uh-oh. Where are you going now? Baby jail. Baby jail. Hi.